Yeah, but don't do that while you're driving,
No, no.
though. Now, if you're trying to get out to maybe take a walk, maybe ride the bike this morning, no issues out there for you. It is going to be breezy, warm out there. No issues as far as travel concerned today. That's going to change, though, over the next few days with those storm chances ramping up. So we'll get more into that in just a moment. Getting you out to Love Field right now, 72 degrees. Those winds, yes, they are a little gusty, 21 miles per hour right now. So this is how it will be heading out the door this morning. And for the most part, as we go through the day today, it will be breezy out there. Those temperatures getting into the 80s. Now, we will see some thunderstorms developing well west of Dallas and Fort Worth over the far western parts of North Texas. That's where we'll have to be concerned about a few showers and thunderstorms late today. So we skip ahead to 6 p.m. this evening. Those thunderstorms will fire up out across West Texas and make a run into North Texas as we head into the evening hours, as we look ahead to 8 o'clock tonight over our far western counties, maybe between Graham, approaching Decatur, out toward Breckenridge and Eastland. Can't rule out some stronger thunderstorms in those areas, but watch what happens as they move into the Metroplex. They do start to weaken as we head toward 10, 11 o'clock tonight. So not a real big concern in the Metroplex for any thunderstorms here. Those should weaken, maybe a leftover shower or storm overnight. But things should be relatively quiet. And you see that low wind risk, marginal risk scooting our far western counties up for tonight, with hail and wind being the main concern. A little bit higher risk, that slight risk over West Texas out across portions of the Panhandle for late tonight. Now tomorrow, though, thunderstorm chances do ramp up once again as we get into the evening hours. I think this time late afternoon around 4 p.m. approaching from the north and west, and then those will move into the Metroplex as we get into the early evening hours. So we will have thunderstorm chances increasing tomorrow, and that severe weather threat getting a little farther into North Texas for us as we go through the day. Still going to be looking at hail and wind as we get into the evening hours, heading toward 10 p.m. and there may be a few leftover showers and storms kind of ongoing as we head into Wednesday morning. But you see that severe weather risk for the hail and wind once again. You see that slight risk, though, does move down a little bit closer to Fort Worth and Dallas, including Gainesville down toward Decatur, Mineral Wells out toward Breckenridge and Eastland, with that slight risk, level 2 for those stronger severe thunderstorms as we get into Tuesday. Now Wednesday looks like the best chance for widespread rain and thunderstorms, locally heavy rain, and that severe weather threat as well. You can see as we get into the afternoon hours, especially on Wednesday, that begins to push a little farther east as we get into Wednesday evening. But that risk for some severe storms is going to be a little bit higher. You see that slight risk over all of North Texas, and we'll introduce maybe a low-wind tornado threat as well. So keep checking back as we kind of fine-tune the forecast, getting a little bit closer to Wednesday. But that looks like the best chance for our severe weather threat. And you see that heavy rain threat will increase as well. Maybe upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rain in some areas. So flash flooding, again, could become a concern as well. All right, here's that 14-day forecast, though. Tuesday and Wednesday, the severe weather alert days, the weather alert days, both of those days. You can see those storm chances, though, will linger through the end of the week. Friday, Saturday, heading into Sunday, about a 50% coverage, and maybe even into the early part of next week before we do start to dry out by the middle of next week. All right, one more check on traffic. Brianda, how's it look?